Hello students, welcome once again to English class. Now in this class, we will be learning something new about comprehension. Now comprehension majorly is you reading a passage and you trying as much as possible to understand that passage and also give correct answers to the question. Now in this class, we are focusing on some kind of comprehension question. First of all, our topic is asking specific questions that elicit opinion. Asking specific questions that elicit opinion. There are some comprehension questions that demands that you share your own thoughts or idea to what you've read or about or concerning what you've read. It is you sharing your own thoughts, not repeating what has been said or what you read in the passage. Now, opinion is what someone think or feel about something. So there are some comprehension questions that demands that you share your opinion, your thought or your feeling towards what you have read. That is what it means by asking specific questions that elicit opinion. Now, like I said earlier, there are some questions that demands that you share your own thoughts. And now we are going to go through some opinion questions that you can see in your comprehension. That is why it is good for you to always try as much as possible whenever you read a passage and you do not understand, read it again, read it again. If the words are very big, go through the dictionary, check the meaning of the words, and try as much as possible to understand that passage. Because if you do not understand the passage, you would not be able to share your own view. So most times the writer goes ahead to ask questions just to see his or her story from your own point of view. That is what we call opinion questions. Opinion questions. It's just like you writing down something and you read it, oh, it's very good. But you give it to someone else and you ask the person, okay, what do you think about this? And once the person answers, the person has given his or her opinion because the person has his own different thoughts towards what you have written. Same thing goes to when you're reading a comprehension passage. So try to think deeply and also share your own view, your own feeling or thought towards what you have read. Now, comprehension question also come with opinion question. So there are times where you see questions like, so we're going to go through the examples of opinion question. There are times when you see questions like, what do you think about the main character's action? What do you think about the main character's action? Do you agree with what happened at the end of the story? Why? I'm sure you must have seen there are questions like this where it is being asked and you state your reason why. Do you agree with what happened at the end of the story? If yes, why? If no, why? Now, you giving answers to that is you sharing your own opinion, what you think or feel should have happened or should have happened in the story. All right, the third example is, what lesson did you learn from the passage? What lesson did you learn from the passage? Now, this answer is actually not gotten in the passage. It's gotten from your own thought, what you've learned as you read the passage. Sentence 4. If you were in the character's shoes, what would you have done differently? If you were in the character's shoes, what would you have done differently? Now, questions like this make you think very deep, okay? And then put yourself in the story. That is the only way you can be able to share your own thoughts. The only way you can answer opinion questions is for you to put yourself in the story, or just imagine you are the character that is being talked about. or discussed about in the passage. That is the only way you can share your answers. Right. Example 5, the last example says, which part of the story did you enjoy? Now, you answering that is also sharing your opinion. Now, take for instance, you have a story of the popular cartoon Tom and Jerry, where Jerry was just on his own at home with his friend and they were playing. And then Tom saw both of them, Jerry and his friends, and he got angry, got jealous, and he started chasing Tom. Now, what is your opinion to that? What do you think? Why should Tom chase Jerry? That's not right. Very good. Now, you saying that is you sharing your opinion. It is the fact that you've thought deeply about what you have read. Now, we are going to go through a comprehension passage and also practice this question. Now, I would love for us to go through this short passage and also give our opinion to this story, this short story. Please do well to drop yours in the comment section. All right. Andrew saw a small boy crying because his ice cream fell on the ground. Although Andrew had only one ice cream, he gave it to the boy and walked away smiling. I'll read it again. Andrew saw a small boy crying because his ice cream fell on the ground. Although Andrew had only one ice cream, he gave it to the boy and walked away smiling. Now, these are the opinion questions. So do well to give answers to it. You can as well drop it in the comment section. Like I said earlier, opinion is what you think or feel about what you've seen or read. Now, and also opinion answers, the answers you give to opinion question is neither right nor wrong. It is just your thoughts towards what you have read. Now, let's move on to the opinion questions. Do you think Andrew did the right thing? Do you think Andrew did the right thing? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Next question. Would you have done the same? Why or why not? Next question. What lesson did you learn from Andrew's action? What lesson did you learn from Andrew's action? The last opinion question. How would you feel if you were the small boy? How would you feel if you were the small boy? Now, I look forward to your answers. If you did not get it, please do well to pause the video, replay it, watch it again, and then give answers to this opinion question. Like I said earlier, answers given to opinion question is neither right or wrong. It is just you sharing your thoughts or feeling concerning what you have read. So please do well to drop your answers in the comment section. Thank you.